Hi guys, welcome to 6th grade, chapter 13, lesson 8. We're going to go ahead and get started. So you'll notice that all I did was I took the numbers that are in this chart and I laid them out in smallest to biggest order, just like always. Every time that we do mean, median, mode, interquartile, all of that, you're always going to need the numbers written out in order from smallest to biggest, okay? So minimum price, maximum price, that's pretty obvious, so they did those. Okay, was the mean of the prices. Okay, I'm going to do you a big fat favor here, and I'm going to tell you that they all add up to 93. Okay, now it's 93, and we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a piece of my printer paper so I can do that math with y'all. And I'm going to say 93 divided by 6. Okay, 6 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, get 3. Okay? 3 is smaller than 6, so I'm going to go ahead and bring down my other 3. 6 goes into 33. 5 times, which is 30. Subtract, get 3 left over. Okay? So now, I'm going to put my decimal and my 0, and I'm going to bring that 0 down because 3 is smaller than 6 again. So 6 goes into 30 5 times. So 15 and a half, or 15.5, is our mean. Okay? Okay? And because we're talking about money, we're going to put a dollar sign, and we don't ever end it with one number after the decimal. It's 2. So we put a 0. Okay? All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put a dot plot in for all of our numbers. Okay? Dot plot. So we have a 6. We have 2 16s. We have 2 18s. And we have a 19. And that is our 6 dots. So now, okay, we are going to see what our median is. Well, our median is right in between 16 and 18. Well, that's 17. Okay, so at 17, I'm going to go ahead and put a dot there. Okay, now 16 and 18 are my 2 medians. So I'm going to draw my box there. I'll put my line down to that. Okay, I'm going to do a line over and a line over. There's my dot plot. Okay? All right. So now we're going to find the range of the prices. Well, that's just the highest subtract the lowest. So 19 minus 6. You guys can figure that one out. Okay? Now, interquartile range. Well, the lower, and then the higher. So when we're finding the range, we need the top one, subtract the bottom one. 18 minus 16. I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that one out again. Okay. Now, what is the median of the prices? Well, we already said the median was at 17. There we go. Okay. So then, does the menu match Mr. Jackson's requirements? So I'm going to tell you that no, it does not, but you need to tell me why. Okay? Look at all of your data. Look at what Mr. Jackson needs in his description, and then tell me why it doesn't match. Okay? We're going to flip it over to the back, where you guys will do the lesson check, just like always. We're going to go down and do this power review. Okay? It says, by how much does the median of the following data set change if the outlier is removed? Okay, so I'm going to write these in order. 0, 18, 21, 25, 26, and 28. Okay? So currently, as it sits, the median would be in between 21 and 25, so it would be 23. Okay? But if we took off that 0, which is the outlier, it's the number furthest away from all of the others, okay, then that would be our new median. Okay? So it would increase because we take off the low number, so it's going to go up, so it would be increase. Okay? And to get from 23 to 25, you have 2. It would increase by 2. Okay? All right. So now we're going to look at the box plot. What is the interquartile range of the data? So interquartile range. So 50 minus 44. Well, that's just 6, guys. Okay? All right. Erin is on the school trivia team. The table shows the team scores in the last 8 games. Erin wants to build confidence in her team so that they will do well in the last game. What measure or center would be best for Erin to use to motivate her team? Okay. So all of our scores are pretty close, except for this one, okay? Which that one would bring the number up because it's higher than the rest of them. So that number would bring the number up. So the average or the mean would give us all a pretty good estimate. So the numbers are similar. So the mean would be a good representation. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out for chapter 13 and all of 6th grade math. Good luck in 7th grade, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.